What's the deal, everybody? How's everybody doing? What's the deal? Congratulations, you guys all made it here to another Asian session live stream. And it's gonna be our last one of the week. Our first week of the new year has flown by. First Asian session week. Welcome. Come in. Sit down, enjoy, get comfortable. Hold on, let me get rid of this buys for plus 35 pips. I see it. People gonna come in here and be like, when did I miss buys? When did I miss the buys? Can't believe this shit. Alrighty then. Packet might be seeing 5. Hey, Green, thank you for being here. Help me run the stream. Shout out to the mods. Always helping out. Green's dedicated. I love it. I'm in sell 20 pip already. Hey, shout out to you. FH. Anyway, let's get into it. Daily. Ooh, look at this. Where did this daily close? So, look what has happened today. Daily closed at a resistance. Made a top wick, right? Never broke the previous day and came back down in range. So it's gonna be key what happens for tonight, for tomorrow. Very interesting. London session should be fun. Let's see where we can get some opportunities. Regardless, it still buys. Still bullish. No, let's get rid of this. We are bullish until we get these range 2 breakouts. 4 hours broken the highs of the previous 4 hour. The hour. Here's a fucking barcode. So we're at a resistance. We're respecting resistance, and we have a barcode printing at resistance. Exciting times. I think I'd rather watch the grass grow, but we're here for Asian, and what you do with your grass is on you. Drop down to the 5 minute, where we've been killing it. Absolutely fucking killing it. So this would seem like a decent level, right? But let's see where the hourly has a clean drive, and then we can mark up level there. Get out of my face. So, let's see how much info this gives us, right? We couldn't get any info printed yesterday on the 5, but on the hourly, look, we got some. We got to go back all the way to May 22nd to this price. May 22nd. What do we have? Get info here on the 30? Yeah, we do. closure above here. Let's see where this is. Okay, I like these levels. So we have clean range here on the hourly and the 30 to drive above there. And we also have really clean range with all this massive movement earlier today that's cleared out all these orders in case we drive down. So there's one thing I like about news, really volatile news, is it clears out a lot of orders. So right after it, we see clean ranges, right? There's a lot of good ranges to drive. The issue is, are we going to drive now? Are we going to drive later? Whenever, you got to know when we're going to drive. You got to see the indications of when we're getting out of this range to take advantage of these clean candles before. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Okay, so buys, I'll have buys above here. Closure. And for sells, clearly want to be out of this range. Which 25 pips here. It's not bad, it's pretty decent. I like this. I'd like a closure below here. We will sell blue here. All right. I would consider this a range 2. Below there, there's clean candles that we can take advantage of. Which range is here? This is clean as well. Close below here. You're looking to drive down 16 pips. We'll see how the candles behave here, but I'd rather wait for our area. Our area here. Right. Yep. That's what we'll wait for. Let's see where this level's on 30 on the hourly. See on the hourly, this will be below all these wicks as well. Just take advantage of this room to head down. And that would be the break of the previous 4-hour low as well. If this happens in the next 40 minutes, we're gonna have a really fun Asian session. It's gonna be a really fun 9 p.m. candle. But now we wait. Yeah, exactly. We have to get these 5 minutes out of these ranges. let me just say thank you to everybody here. 400 on here already. Got 100 likes. Do we have 100? Almost 100. Yeah, 99. Appreciate you guys all being here. If you've been with us all week, you've been eating all week, and even you. I'm looking at you, the guy that said, "God damn it, my first trade here or every trade here, I lose." I don't know why you said that yesterday and why you said that on Monday. We took dubs. So, yeah. Yeah, thank you for showing up again. That guy. Trolls, thank you for coming back. Hopefully you don't get any content today either, but that's the goal. Also, Wixnon, I'm somewhat new here. I've been listening to you and really appreciate all nice job. Learn a lot of patience and this. Hey, you're welcome. Need that clean sweep, right? That'd be nice. Check buys on 30 one time. No, your bearish candles, bearish. Previous 30 closed bearish. It's coming back in range over here. It's probably gonna reach the bottom of this range and then see how it behaves. We're bullish for the day, though, right? Look, the daily is really bullish. It's just we come above these ranges. We gotta have this bounce out of this range. This range looks like ass and feet. Enjoy that blunt. Trolls are salty. They ain't making money. Well, I don't know. Maybe the trolls make money and they just like to talk. I don't know. The goal is to turn all the trolls and haters into supporters. Oh, that's really stimulating there. Huh? More fire, more fire. Pass phase 2 on 300K account last night. Hey, big dubs. W Sobran. Wobran. Would it be possible to activate the translation? I don't know. This is not United Nations. I don't have a translator on hand for every language. No, I don't know how that works. No, I don't know. Is there a YouTube setting that goes activate translation? I don't know. Pablo Enrique. Why do you need translation? You speak fine. You understand me fine. You typed everything as like you were literate. You're ahead of many. Yeah, drop some likes while we're waiting. We don't have much to do here. Just wait. We're not trading this barcode unless we're out of this barcode, and that's the way the cookie crumbles, right? I don't care if we sit here for the next hour and 40 minutes. Not taking a trade. Why are we staying 2 hours in Asia session? I mean, that's my time. This is the 2 peak hours of Asian session, and in these 2 hours, we get not just 5 5-minute closes, 30s and ones. We also get a nice 4-hour close, right? 4-hour closure. 4-hour candle closes at 9, and we get a lot of info from that as well. Jonathan Harder. How's it hanging? I don't know. Why is it always got to be hanging? That's your question. You know how some people have their own theme music? That's your question. I got my own theme music. I walk around, there's just theme music playing. Welcome G Company. One Wix, 9 likes. Right near the beach, boy. No, GJ. Hi from Somalia. Holy shit. Yeah. What's the deal, Mohammed? Looks I try everything on Forex, but now I will try to see your strat. Don't try, just see it. Show up. Come here, show up. You don't have to try. Just do it. Hope you were here yesterday. Singapore, Kosovo, Mexico. Holy shit, we're international. Brazil. Annabelle Henry. Hi from Canada. Canadian, eh? Reza, what's the deal? Big problem? What's going on? Don't scare me, Reza. What's the big problem? What's the November 16th link? What is that? Came from Don channel. Nice to be here. There's plenty of people that went from this channel to Don Vo's. Now there's Don Vo people coming here. It's awesome. Welcome. Now chill out. This is what Don left us with. Left us with strange range. nice. Room's filling up. Almost 500. Drop a like, boys. Sub to the channel. Let's get more like-minded traders in here. Bresto viewers. New Jersey. Don's legacy carries on here. We are farmers. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. It's just stuck in my head. My kids are walking around singing it. Smoke a weeds, Smoke a weeds every day. Andrew Waters, good luck. May the forces of evil become confused on the way to your house. Yeah, 70, 80 viewers a day wasn't too long ago. Or 50, 500. I did back today. Did back, Scott. Hey, Ted. Where do you see Ted? Ted's not on here. What? How to get huge biceps, yours look juicy? Go to the fucking gym. Oh shit, hey Aaron in here. What's the deal? How you doing, Aaron?
Hey Aaron, where are you?
How you feel? I'm surviving. I'm surviving this range right now. You're in the ATL? Nice. Land of Georgia. You guys got some good peaches. Two AA runs. Pull-ups did, rows did. Curls, no, I didn't do curls today. Deadlifts did. Hey man, question for you. Can you explain how you are using MT5? Is it after 30-minute closes? No, I don't touch MT5 until I have a position, and then I just click buy or sell on MT5. I look at my positions here on TradingView. It's just so clean and so pretty. This is like 4K versus MT5s, like 480. Five foot five, 273% body fat. Get the fuck out of here. 5'5", 270. Built like a fucking linebacker. 3% body fat. You know, 3% body fat. Your ass would be like 130. You'd be 5'5", buck 30. 3% body fat. Your ass would be dry. 15. Try walking around like 25. Yeah, linebackers are taller. Yeah, if you Tarzan, mark up with TradingView and then just make sure it falls in line with your broker once you're placing the trade, and then place the trade. Cali Kush. Go to Cali. Go to Cali, Becky with the good hair. Why I chose the levels from the 1 hour? Well, first of all, we only have info that we can look back on the 1 hour. We can't look back on the 5 minute because there's not enough candles. This shit doesn't give me enough candles. And this morning, Don Vo set an example by buying the premium version, and the shit still doesn't have enough candles. So, shout out to him for stepping on that plank. And now I don't have to buy the premium version because I know it's not going to give me enough candles. So we can go back to the hourly and see where there's a clean range, and there's a clean hourly candle above this level that just rides up all the way to 1907 from 1901. One candle. So if we get a closure above there, we're going to look to emulate that one candle on the 5 minute. Wix is definitely a New Yorker. Yeah, I grew up in New York. I grew up in Brooklyn. I'm raised in Brooklyn, baby. I just because I live right near the beach. What you mean, not enough candles? So TradingView doesn't print enough info. Look, I go on the 5 minute, and at some point, the shit will run out of info, and it's gonna tell me, power up your plan. Your plan only sees 5,000 bars. Go further back. And we bought premium this morning for 20,000 bars, and the shit still don't go back enough to check the shit. What happened in May of last year? Forget about it. I have premium, and it definitely goes back a lot farther. Yeah, on the higher time frame. But go to the 5. This shit will not. Go to the 5 minute. I'm looking. See how we have our levels, and we're trying to trade the 5 minute here. I mean, we are trading the 5 minute. Yeah, I know. Well, I'm not starting all that shit right now. I'm fine. I'm gonna look for the obviously for the 30 and the hourly fall in line with our 5 minute breakdown, right? As we always do. That's why I like, that's why I don't like creating new highs or all-time highs. That's why I don't like trading crypto, because there's a lot of levels that have never been hit before. So you don't have historical price data. How can you do analysis without the existence of historical price data? That defeats the purpose. And that's what we're doing here. We're doing technical analysis. Studying the history of price and the way the candles formed in the past. And then trying to find our edge and use it to our advantage. Exploit this Forex casino. How long you been growing just for your liking them clean? 6 years. Why don't use trend lines? Because if you learn how to read candles and price action, EYES will be the only indicator you need. How many years of historical price? I just need to see price here previously, and we can go back as far as May. Last time price was at this level was in May. Yeah, it's a free indicator. Why we don't draw the middle line separating range 1 and range 2? Because in here it's irrelevant. It would mess you up, and I'm not going to trade the fake out back into range 1. You know what I mean? Like if we come back up bullish above here, I'm not, it would be right here. This is where the level is at. So your closure above here would indicate move up, but I'm not trading it because at one time there was a closure above here and this candle came right back. So you technically have to trade that level above here, and that's not enough range for me. But the real place is, the real level is here. There won't be enough range to trade it. If a candle closes here, you have 5, 6, 8 pips, 9 pips, maybe take advantage before it tops out. I'd rather just get it clean above here or get sells below here. Right, you could see like, right, we came over here, we closed above, right? Drove up. That's what you'd want to emulate, but then there's a level right off the bat. You don't want this. You want clean moves, whether it's the 5 or the 1 hour. You want to copy clean candles. Clean. Clean. It's clean here too. I'm really looking at this. I'm looking at closures. I'm thinking of closures below here, but I'm gonna look at it once the 4 hour closes here. We are definitely not gonna have a trade in the next 20 minutes. I can promise you that. There's gonna be no trade here until the new 4 hour, and that's 9 p.m. So you guys have some time to, you know, go do what you gotta do. Go to the bathroom, go smoke a J, go roll a J, go share this stream with your friends, post this online somewhere. Yesterday's session really resonated with me. I have twins, toddlers, so always jump on me when I'm in a trade. Yeah. I have little tricks around the table to keep them occupied. Like, they like blowing out candles, so I light candles. Like, I'll light 2 candles, and I'll be like, once you blow out the candle, you go in the other room. Go play. And that's the extent of her time playing here. They'll blow out the candles. Because they like the smell, you know, when you blow out the candle, it leaves that smoke and smell. They like that smell. And I got a couple of gummies in the drawer here, just in case. Forex, do you have an LLC for trading? No, I have a S Corp. See, I use no indicators, but trends are a must if you do them right. I mean, we follow the trend, right? We trade with the trend. That's the purpose of range 1 and range 2. The only time, right? You have to develop. Not every day market goes with the trend, right? So we've developed a concept that lets us trade against the trend, and that would be the range 2 breakouts. You pay yourself with the corp so you get taxed less? No, I pay another S corp. Which is me. I don't know, guys. Go to your tax guy. Let them set it up for you. You don't wait for 1 hour closure. You only wait for 5. Only trade 5. Were you not here, Simone? You guys gotta listen. Maybe you weren't here. I said we're not gonna have a trade here until 9 p.m. at least. We're not gonna look for a 5 closure here, even though this is a really nice closure to drive up here. Because this is a fake out technically, right? We're coming back into this range 1, but it's the last 15 of the 4 hour, and I typically don't trade the last 15 of the 4 hour because it tends to exhibit some pullback qualities. Capiche? Manage your tax bracket. Yeah, I don't do that. My accountant will. There's a reason you have to build a good relationship with one. Damn. Anonymous. Anonymous with dedication. That boy's consistent and dedicated. Yo, 2 a.m. from the UK ting. Where you get your BG music from? I don't know. It's copyright free right now. It says it is. Yesterday we played this and the stream didn't get blocked. Day before we didn't play this and that stream got taken down, blocked worldwide, and we had a nice runner. So like, I'm tired of being blocked worldwide. And then people call me like, "Yo, where can I watch the content?" You can't. The shit's blocked worldwide. And then if I want to do like post a short or something or do a clip out of there, I can't hire somebody to do it because it's blocked worldwide. I gotta like do it on my own. No Spotify playlist. You have live every day? Yes. Pablo Enrique. I swear it's not your first day. You've been here for a little while, no? I've seen your name. I've said your name with an accent before. I know it. So, we stream every day. Mad love from Australia. I'm usually on Dawn stream. Aussie. Thank you, Andrew. I already have an air purifier. The thing is, you can purify all the air you want. I still have 3-year-old, 5-year-old, and 10-year-old lungs running through here half the evening. Hey, Morocco. Congrats on the World Cup success. That must have been fun. Hey, no United Nations in the chat. Keep it to English. Get a purifier per kid. I might as well just have them walk around in fucking gas masks, right? Military grade. Here, kid, go play. How many trades do you aim per stream? I just aim to get my position. If we get none, we get none. We get one, we get one. We get two, we get two. I don't know. Typically one per stream. You see, you know how I did that? You know how I know it's one per stream? Because we only had 3 days, 3 streams, and we only had 3 trades. So if you average that out, it would be one per stream. So roughly one per stream. How about them likes? 230. Honestly, this is even if 230 is incredible for me. It should be more of this. Yesterday we had our peak viewers for Asian session. Yesterday we had 603 viewers. It's incredible. For an Asian session, you guys are showing up. You guys are eager to learn. I love it. It's awesome. What you waiting? I don't know. It's peach ice. It says peach ice. We're building up this session with solid work. Yes. Aren't you a mod, Badger? I swear you were a mod, no? Very little mods here. There you were. I don't know, Steven. I don't know. This is enough of mentoring. I mean, it's gonna be just honestly easier access to me and more access to me. Pick Wick's brain type of thing. Badger does a lot of stuff for Devious. Badger deserves a wrench. Badger? Yo, Green, we gotta jump Badger in for a wrench. Okay, hold him down. Hold him down, okay? Hey. Just got jumped in. Need a wrench ceremony, right? How do you spot a fake out? You come back into a range. It's a closure back into range 1 with the direction of our bias. There we go. I forgot what I was saying for a second. It's a closure back into range 1 with our bias, not against our bias. So that's a fake out. And it can clearly be identified and pointed out. It's not like I think or I feel there's a fake out here. Right? So let's do this. Let's go here. Okay. Here we go. This is our level. And let's say now we have bearish candles coming down here. We get a closure here. Right? Like that. Below our support. Right? Into this range. Very next candle. So this is our range 1. At this point now range 2. This next candle comes back into this range. Now you're back into range 1 with our bias, which is bullish. So you would expect the next candle to fill the range here. Release the wick, which would be your advantage point. Right? And then you could let runners go till the top of the range and further. And at that point you would be break even. That's your fake out. When you get this next candle closing back into this range after closing below it. Once you get that closure, you can be pretty confident you're going to fill the range up with if your bias is bullish for the day. Hey, the common effect. Shout out to you. $1.99 Canadian, eh? The Leafs are playing the Red Wings right now. How's that going? I was just watching the game earlier. Now I got Brooklyn versus Boston. Can you repeat what a fake out is again? Yeah, you just rewind 30 seconds or 2 minutes, whatever it is. Oh, GJ Wicks. If a mod asks me to look at GJ again, I'm demodding everybody. No, GJ. No. We had a going away ceremony yesterday. Much range is here if we close above here, huh? GJ's in the name of the stream. I know. Because a lot of traders search for GJ and then they stick to gold. I believe, according to the YouTube algo, more people search for GJ than they do for gold. We do it for the algo. Honestly, no, I did it last year because we were trading GJ last year, but in all of quarter 4, I think we had one GJ trade. So it just made no sense to spend all that time every evening looking at GJ, breaking it down, and only get one trade for Q4. I'm good. False advertising? No, I mean, we did trade GJ. We just forgot to remove it from the title. I'm doing people a favor. Look, if I was trading GJ and I stumbled upon this stream and it was only gold, I'd be like, you know what? Gold it is. I'd be on gold like shit on Velcro. Easy. All day. TJ has been moving nice. I will admit, it's been moving nice. Cheers, Wix, you're doing fine. Yep. Cheers to you as well. That comes at least once a night. Indica or sativa. You guys already know. Sativa in the mornings, indica at night. Got a minute till the 4-hour closes here, and this is looking like trash. What's the 4-hour level here, huh? Look at that. Look how perfect our levels fall in line. We need the 4-hour to close above here as well. Like this is look, I just jumped to the 4. I haven't even done this on the 4-hour, but look how our 5-minute levels fall in line with the 4-hour. This is what we need. We need regardless of what happens, we need closures outside these ranges. Ooh, as we're driving up here on the new hour. 4-hour never closed above, right? Nothing closed above. Alright, chat. Well, you had your 20 minutes. Now, let's lock it in here. Let's really pay attention. These 5 minutes print. I think yesterday our trade was at 9:05. I think that's when the trade came yesterday. But that was the day before yesterday. Can you explain a little more? You're using MT5. Do you still wait for M30 closure or wait for the 5? It has nothing to do with MT5 or trading view. I wait for the 5-minute to fall in line with the story that the 30 is telling me, and the 1-hour and the 4-hour and the daily. They have to all be telling me the same story. That's what I'm looking for. It's not as simple as like, oh yeah, wait for the 30, boom, or like wait for the 5-minute. No, it's not that simple. And I know you want an answer, but there is no black and white here. This whole industry is one big gray area, right? I say that all the time as well. There's no be all end all. It's a whole combination of aha moments and discoveries. What are you looking to line up candles in the same direction? Oh, realistically, yeah, you want all your time frames to be in the same direction. You also want closures that would make sense. You want the 5-minute closure to be above, let's say, the 1-hour range or make sense on a 1-hour. You want a 5-minute closure to make sense on a 30-minute. You don't want it to be taking a 5-minute bullish closure in the middle of a bearish candle that's driving and breaking candle lows. Because even, breaking candle lows in the 4-hour could be a break at a high on a 5-minute. It has to make sense. You have to take all your time frames into consideration and utilize the strategy that we use on every time frame, on the 1 hour, on the 30, but bring it down all the way to the 5. Mark your range. There's range 1, range 2, range 2 breakouts. Find the clean range where the higher time frame candles don't see any resistance or support and drive, and then look to take advantage of that range. Look back in the past in history where you've gotten a closure below here, and what happened? Did it drive? Did it respect? Look back on the charts about here. I watch soccer, yeah, time to time. Yeah, the odds are not in your favor, that's for sure. With such an extremely low trader success rate in the industry, the odds are definitely not in your favor. If you're new here, drop a like, sub to the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for showing up. Awesome. Yeah, boys, the last Asian session of the week. First week of the new year in the books. Looking good. Morning sessions have been deadly, just slaying them. Keep showing up, fellas. Keep showing up, everybody, and ladies. By the end of 2023, you will all be well on your way out of poverty. If you're not in poverty, it'll be so far behind you that you won't even understand the meaning. That's the goal. Spark one. I was just smoking one right before the stream. I got a clip waiting for me outside the door. Let's see. I want to lock it. I want to see what's happening here, and if we can get some closures. Closure belosure. That's what I'm interested in. Out of peasantry. Yo, come on, guys. Keep it to English, or you guys are gonna get. You guys like magic tricks? You'll get booted. You prefer smoke over vaping if you have kiddo. I don't prefer vaping at all. My girl shit. It's just whenever she leaves it around, I tend to do this. I prefer to smoke flower. Flower. I like smoking flower. Hello, Chatan. Pakor. Hear myself. Like, hello. Hello. No, I don't hear myself. Hello. Oh, there we go. Hello, Neo. You guys rather I do the whole stream like this? This summer. What's your favorite scary movie? Just jokes, relax. Yeah. Sorry, viewers. Anyone that's annoyed of waiting, me too. I concur. I'm tired of waiting as well, but that's what we're going to do here. We're going to see if we can get closures during the session. I truly think you might get something during London, maybe New York. Would you say watching yours and your Don stream is enough to learn and trade by ourselves as well as gain knowledge? I would say that there's enough free info out on the internet and on the Googles and on YouTube for you to not have to spend any money learning. But you also have to be, you know, stable mindset and pretty developed in your ways and understanding of yourself. Do you set stop loss below range 2 or swing low? I mean, depends, right? Because if you can, you mean for buys below range 2? No, I would set my stop loss below the 5-minute range or above the 5-minute range that we're trading from. You'd have to see it in, like, look at yesterday's trade before that. We used to set our stop losses above the previous candle or above current candle highs or lows, but we realized that candle highs and lows can be broken, and it's really more about zones, because we'd get a lot of positions that would run our way, they get stopped out or go break even, or we'd get wicked out, but the analysis would be correct and it would drive in our direction. We realized that the better stop loss would be above the 5-minute zone than above the previous 30-minute candle or the 1-hour candle. And that realization didn't just hit us when we're trading and we see one trade. That realization came after we back tested half a year's worth of trades. Why would I give you 10,000 when I could teach you how to make 10,000? You feel me? Shit, you give me 10,000, I ain't tripping. I wouldn't be doing you a favor or a service by giving you money. That just will not make you better. It'll just make you blow all the money that I gave you if you're blowing the money you had. Setups are on 4 hour, right? So ranges are based off the 4 7, which stop will be placed above the range 2, right? No, wrong. You guys want a really simplified definition. And you guys want a definition for every setup, and you guys want a generalization that, like I said, I would be doing you a disservice by generalizing everything that we do here. No, it's every setup, every trade, everything is in every position and approach is individualized, and it's all, you know, without any regard to a previous trade. And where can we learn your strategy? And on here, just keep showing up to the live streams. I know today it's been like watching flies fuck, right? Like we're not watching anything, but it's just, you know, it just so happens to be today. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there was massive value dropped, and there were trades taken, and there was risk management, and we walked through everything. So, you know, just keep showing up. It's not a, you know, one day, boom, you catch on. I would say from experience, it takes maybe 3 weeks to a couple of months to start really getting in tune with what we're doing. Yeah, it all depends on what looks cleaner and if it's falling in line with other time frames. We sometimes it depends what we'll base our position on, but not every time frame will be clean, right? How did you backtest using all time frames? Or you just focused on one? No, that's how we backtest the way we trade. We don't even backtest, we forward test, but we did a lot of backtesting with the 5 minute before we actually brought it up and made it something that we do. Hold on a second. What's the deal, Skibbin? Yeah, it's been a great day already. It's been a really good day. Morning was great, lots of value, great trade. Great week, great start to the year. Really, really impressed with everyone. I was asking like while they are backtesting which time frames they're focusing on, but I got it. Honestly, when we backtest, I open multiple time frames. We open the 1, the 30, the 4. Retracement looks like a liquidity grab. I don't know, maybe. 4-hour close respecting resistance, right? Now it's breaking. Well, I gotta see if it breaks the previous 4 out. This is just ugly. You could do whatever it wants in this range, right? It's just ugly. I don't care if it's driving, floating, diving. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit if it's snorkeling. We gotta wait for it to close below. Yeah. Tomodachi Anachiwaseyo. I love saying that name. Good day. Thank you for joining us. Were you affected by the peak viewers L curse yesterday? No, we took fucking 35 pips. We were not affected. We don't have a curse on this channel. Last year, peak viewers, we won every trade, so no curse. My rook, I don't know what pivot is. Or I didn't trade the pivot cross. But sure. Oh, my phone. Come back, fool. $500 people showed up to watch paint dry. I'm sorry, I'm not in control of this. But I appreciate your loyalty and dedication. 500 real ones on here. You guys are all over traders. All 525 of you, you're all over traders.
Stop it. Get some help.
All of you. Oh, LeBron's coming up next. Look at that. Luka versus LeBron next. I love it. It's going to be a good game. Enjoy the stream regardless. Awesome. When do you end stream? We typically end at around 10, right? And the way it's looking right now, which is not really pretty, right? And look, I thought it was going to break the previous 4-hour low. It respected it, pulled back so far. So I honestly think London, maybe New York will be it. Who remembers the Kobe and LeBron's puppet joke commercial? Who remembers the Little Penny commercials? Little Penny was funny. TT, what's the deal? Yeah, it's in a range. Maybe time to sleep. Definitely time to sleep. Damn, you got them likes up today? 300? Yeah. 300 and no trade. 300 likes for a range. You guys are incredible. That's that's some real ones here. That's how I know this loyalty is real. I love all of yous. Appreciate it. Can't do nothing here. Conversion rate, yeah. I wonder if we didn't get peak viewers though today. We had peak yesterday. Hey, G Company, thank you for the dono. Appreciate you. Got me my morning coffee paid for. Adnikash Chinky, right? Shinky. Shinkui. It's a good mindset. Really good mindset. How's the cat? Kitty's outside. Where like 2 weeks back they weren't hitting that button. Yeah, well 2 weeks back I wasn't streaming. This week we started streaming. Last month we streamed. We took a 3 week break, chat. So we took a break from December 16th to January 9th. 3 weeks we were gone. You guys thought it was gonna be the end of the world, remember? We were leaving for Christmas break. Remember? Remember the tears? Remember the band playing? Remember the goodbyes? Me neither. That shit flew by. I don't remember none of that shit. uh, thank you for vibing with me. This is dope. This is dope because like first month and a half, I think, first few weeks for sure, I didn't have anywhere near like not even 100 viewers. We had like 70, 80 viewers. I think first week, about half a year ago. No, less like 4 months ago, 5 months ago. You're gonna be here every Asian? Yeah, we are here every single Asian session, Monday through Thursday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. You only trade gold? Yes, we only trade gold here. I'm on the schedule. Yep. Siri, remind me Wix streams every single night at 8 p.m. Eastern. I got you. Boom. USA bank holiday on Monday, so no stream. Well, is the yen holiday or well, I don't know. It might matter. It might matter. I might not stream. But then again, the Asian market is open, right? So there's a market open. I don't really care if there's a an American holiday, right? Because that market's closed regardless, right? Yeah, I'm gonna stream. Fuck that. We're gonna have an Asian session. Look it up. USD bank holiday. No, look, there's news. The Chinese yuan has news. Yeah, we're trading Monday. US is closed. But US is closed regardless right now, right? We don't care. It would be an issue if the Asian markets are closed. Then it's an issue. I use TD. Can check my trade in Asia session. Oh, on Discord? Oh, hold on. Why is it an Asia session? We have charts for stream. But hold on. That's a taki. That bitch spicy. I don't know how you guys do that. Tomorrow's any session? I mean, if you show up for Asian tomorrow, the only thing you're gonna hear is crickets, and maybe you can trade some Bitcoin. That's about it. Oh, Reza, later. Thank you for showing up. I didn't even see you were dipping. Oh, did our music end? I think our music ended. Let's get something else on the board over there. There we go. This is a banger. Crypto Friday with Wix. No. How about new? That's gonna be a no for me, dog. Tomorrow morning, Don will have a session. Yeah, I will be on that session. Join us. If you're new here, join us on Donvo's stream for the New York session. The New York session live streams on YouTube here. We're gonna go live at 6:30 Eastern, 6:30 in the morning. And we will be back on Monday for Asian session. We will be back Monday 8 p.m. Eastern. Hold on, chat. I got kids going crazy. Yeah, we ain't doing nothing. Thank you. Good night. Good night, Annabelle Henry. Wix needs a blunt. Chat. Honestly, I do need a blunt. Ain't gonna lie. Dead no volatility. Yeah, I mean we'll kick it here till 10, and after that, I don't know. After that, we'll call it a stream, and we'll be back tomorrow. Watching paint dry. Yeah, okay. That's for sure. Monday is bank holiday, yeah, but this is Asian session, so the U.S. banks are closed right now, regardless. Might as well be a U.S. holiday today. The way these fucking candles are moving right now, feels like gold's on vacation at the moment. Gold, I'm gonna need you to finish up your tequila and come back to work. I got time for this shit. Luke's going to burn my team tonight? Yeah. Luka looking like he about to go for a triple-double. Sit out the fourth quarter, up by 30. Call it? Nah, I'm gonna stick around till 10, and then I'll call it. Hey, Wix, watch your interview. So fucking inspirational, man. Awesome. Love it. Love it. Hey, guys, go check out episode 2 of the Culture Shift podcast. Pretty funny. It's dope. Get back into training. Well, you know what you're getting yourself into. Stop listening to other people's advice and help yourself. You know what you need to do? Help yourself. Tune out the noise. The hardest thing to do is to tune out the noise. Focus on yourself. Vibe alone for a while. So fucking right. It's a good one, yeah. I'm not gonna spoil it for everybody. If you guys haven't seen it, when you go watch it, you'll understand. There's no fucking milk. You have locks, I have keys. Can you still use MT4 on iPhone if you already have it downloaded? I have no clue since I don't use MT4 or iPhones. So that's a double whammy right there for you, right? I don't have either one. That's tough. What are the chances of that? Oh, look at that. We're moving down right after we moved up. And right after we moved down, and right after we moved up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and we went nowhere. We are at the exact price that we started this session with. Incredible. Give it up for yourself, gold. Are you waiting to break the range and for a retest? I'm waiting to do something. I want a closure outside this range, and it's not happening. It most likely will not happen. At which point I will roll myself a big fat Jamaican joint and go smoke outside. I swear this is the big one. Don asked me, "Oh, what's the most annoying question you get on the stream?" It's not who's your mentor. It's indica or sativa. Shit happens like 5-6 times a stream. Just consolidating for London and New York. It's consolidating for something. Tomorrow's Friday, right? It might not move. Look at the daily, right? The daily's filled the wick and came back in range. Filled the wick, came back down. I don't know. I think we might even close bear. The daily. But that's by tomorrow evening, right? By the end of the day tomorrow. Sup, man? The 5-minute shit show. Smoking stream when? Why Asian session? Why not trade London or New York as it has more volatility? I do agree with you that it does have more volatility, but you are incorrect in your assumption that we only trade Asian. I stream Asian. Asian is for the people. We do trade New York. We trade New York every morning on Don Vo's stream. So apparently you're unaware. So let me do a shameless plug for Don Vo's channel. Every morning, every weekday morning, Monday through Friday, there's a New York session live stream here on YouTube from 6:30 a.m. Eastern till 10 a.m. We were on today, we got a dub. We were on yesterday, we got a dub. We were on day before that, we got a dub. So we killed it, right? We've been killing this. Yeah, I didn't know that. Well, now you do. So join us tomorrow morning. New York sessions continue on Don Vo's channel right there. Green just dropped the link. And we stream Asian every evening, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Also live here on YouTube. So 2 sessions get streamed, right? And then for London, we sleep. So now there you go. You have 2. And I don't stream New York because obviously we stream it on Don Vo's channel. And I don't stream London because that's my bedtime. Gotcha, Chanel. A lot of new viewers. I love it. I love the fact that the algo's working and our approach to the algo's working. People are dropping likes. People are subbing to the channel. This is good. So what time will we be streaming? Probably another 20 minutes. I think we're going to go till 10 p.m. Eastern. And then we're going to call it a week. Call it a session. Call it a week. So I join the stream daily because New Zealand works well. Beautiful. Yeah, I mean, there's moves to be caught in Asian. We've proven it all week. We've had a trade every single day up until today. Absolutely. Tell Don to unblock me. I can't. That's Don. Like, I can't tell him what to do. It's a grown-ass man. Can't tell him to unblock. Honestly, no one gets unblocked on his channel. If you ever got blocked on his channel, just go create another account or create a burner and use that to go talk on his channel. You didn't see that dance movie, did? What you talking about? Got my money. Oh, who would win in a dance-off? Why? They say there's footage out there, but I don't know how true it is. And I know Don doesn't have any rhythm. Watch Don be creeping somewhere in the background right now. Is footage alright? You went viral? Where did I go viral? I don't remember going viral. I mean, yeah, more or less. Yeah, we trade. We're very in tune with each other's trading. Yeah. It's not identical. I mean, right? We're still individuals, right? So sometimes we might see a level differently. Sometimes I can see something he doesn't, or he can see something I don't. But overall, we are looking for pretty much the same thing. June. Bless up. I'll cuddle with my girl. She looking lonely. I'm surprised you're still here, even typing that out. Yo, I should have just been delete, 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 delete. Click, turned off. Escape, escape. Apex is calling me. Mary's calling me. Mary Jane, sitting outside, looking lonely. Calling me. Ashon. Ashon. Ajun. Ashon. Nice. Are you Asian? Asian? Oh, is that your picture? Never mind, the homie's black. My bad. It's a dope name, Asian. Bermuda. Nice. The Bermuda Triangle is between you and I. Later, Bunkang. 15 minutes, last 15 minutes of the stream. Can we get anything? Will this market drive in any direction? You can tell he not married. My wife be like, go make that money. Nah, you can tell he not married. No, you can tell he ain't living with her yet. It's not about married or not. You can tell they ain't living together yet. She just got her clothes over your house, you know. That's it. Maybe like a few outfits, but they ain't living together. Market is just ranging. Yeah, they're ranging. Can't do anything about this. This has been our session. Here, these two candles. 8 p.m., 9 p.m. This is what we've done right here. This has been our session. Look at these massive. Oh. Tomorrow in the New York session, when Don asks me how your session went, I'm going to tell him to fast forward to 1 hour and 47 minutes of the stream. It's 9:47. So he can see me drawing this box right here. This is going to be my answer to him tomorrow. How did the Asian session go? I'm going to tell him, just go look at 9:47. This is how the fuck it went right here. When you think Luka's going to get a good team? I don't know. Dallas got a good team. Decent team. People gotta wanna play in Dallas. Right? So fuck the Sixers. Starting as a beginner, following your streams. Any advice? Yeah. Help yourself. Tune out the noise and just concentrate on what you can utilize in your trading. What you can, optimize your own trading. Take bits and pieces that you think would fall in line with what you're doing, and whatever is not falling in line with what you're doing, leave it out of your trading. Be a sponge, right? Pick up as much as you can, but doesn't mean you have to act on everything or utilize everything. Or they yell at you. Have you ever tried the wizard buttons? Yes. There's like 8 layers of dust on these. They're a paperweight. They hold a stack of papers. I don't know. At this point in my trading, I just don't see a use for it. But I haven't turned them on in a long time. It's been a long time. Years. Unnecessary, but cute. W everybody. Still, 420 watching. Absolutely. See, it's a sign. Dimitri White, salute, breaking my Asian session virginity in 2023. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Sub to the channel. If you're new here, drop a like. Sub to the channel. This helps us grow the least toxic Forex community out there. Let's do this right. Right? This trading Chinese NY week suck. Not sure what that means, what you're trying to imply. You don't need any of that. You don't need any of that. You just need your mouse. And that's it. It's cute, but unnecessary. I need 2 before 10. If you really needed a trade, yeah, I should have been trading this morning for CPI. Outside of that, okay, here we go. Will not go there, Sammy. Wow, this is definition of ugly when it comes to Forex. Absolutely, yeah. Thank you guys for being here. I'm gonna ride it out for 7 minutes. Give me a sec. Let me grab some more liquidity. I'll come back in 5 minutes. We'll say goodbyes. Hold on a sec, chat. Holy shit, Chad. You guys know there's no school tomorrow? Lucky kids. See you tomorrow, goon. Actually, no. Oh, yeah, be here in the morning. Don't be here in the evening. Oh, my God. UMG. Any advice on where I can start as a new trader? You're in a good place. But no matter where you start, don't jump from strategy to strategy, mentor to mentor, stream to stream. Don't become a stream hopper. Stick to one thing. Get really good at it. Because if you keep jumping around from one to another, you're always going to be chasing shadows, something that isn't really there. Yeah, no trade today. Smoke up. Friday Asian session, let's go. Let's hope not, Tony. Let's hope people are smart enough not to do that. We will kill it tomorrow. In the morning, we will, as we do. But I'm going to call it here. Everybody. It's 9:58. Thank you for showing up. I know it's been 2 hours of ranging. Not much I can do here. Markets have spoken. We don't tell the markets what to do. Markets come in first and we come in second. That's the idea. You get paid to wait. Today you waited. Tomorrow you'll wait again and get paid. But it'll be worth it. When you get paid, it's all worth it. I'm aware with no trade vibes all over. No see in the morning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys can tell I've been talking all day. A few hours in the morning, a few hours in the evening. But it's not easy to carry for a few hours straight, right? But we do it. We get it done. Thank you, mods. Shout out to the new mod, Badger. Good shit. W's in the chat. Give it up for yourselves. Thank you, chat. Thank you for coming through. Thank you to all the new viewers. Green, I appreciate you. Really do. We're growing. Community's growing. It's been a killer week. Great start to the year. Very impressed with all of you. Join us tomorrow for the last New York session live stream on Donvo's channel. And we will be back Monday evening. Monday is a bank holiday in the US, so probably no stream. I'm sure Don will let you guys know tomorrow morning if he's streaming on Monday. But I will be back. I'm pretty sure he's not going to stream on bank holiday on Monday. He's not going to stream New York. But we will be back on Monday for Asian session, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. And that's it. Love and wisdom to you all. Truly appreciate you guys for showing up here. Thank you, Kay. That's our stream. Hey, Chuck Norris with the dono, $4.99. Check out Kabosu. Man, sure, fine. I don't know what that is. I'm not in tune or involved with that, so I won't. But thank you for the dono. Appreciate you guys. Can't promote things I don't know anything about, but I can appreciate the dono. Thank you. Thank you for showing up. And thank you for adding to the algo. Beautiful. Good night, everybody.